Hey guys, my name's Trevor and we're on the Arctic Vette channel today. Today we're going to be working on the Corvette. It's kind of a busy day for me. Yeah, the Corvette. Look in the camera. Say hi.
Hi, Trevor.
So it's a little busy day for me, so we're going to try and make this quick. But the problem that I'm having is that my tensioner pulley right here is squeaking. It doesn't rock a lot, but it's squeaking. You want to see? Okay. Alright, so I have a new pulley because this one is going bad and it's squeaking, and it actually, my belt has quite a bit of black on it. So, normal wear and tear, but it's signs of the pulley going bad. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it real quick and show you guys how. And Cohen here is going to sit on the edge and help me. So, let's find the right socket that goes on this bolt right there. Meter bolt. Are you gonna record?
Yeah.
Okay, keep your fingers out of the way. Remember how I showed you? Like this. Right there. Yeah, right there. Okay. Don't push that button. Okay, ready? And watch me break her loose. Sis, you put it tight. That's how you get your belt back on. I'll show you that here in a minute. But we just want to loosen this bolt. So give her a nice little pull. Crank it down.
No, no,
Yep.
no.
You know, it might even be the whole. Put the camera back up here. Yeah. Nope, not done yet.
Oh,
Hold on, we're not done yet.
down.
Then you get to a point where you just use your finger. And then, so you got your bolt and the little washer there. We'll set that aside. And our pulley comes right off. Not done yet. I know, there's some.
Oh, wait.
Don't end it. Hold on. It doesn't look too bad.
I know.
Maybe it's that right there, the actual tensioner. Kind of see it.
Oh.
Is a little bit loose.
Daddy.
But
Daddy,
we're going to just replace it with this brand new. Here,
Yeah.
put the camera up here so they can see. Replace it with this brand new, nice, fine AutoZone part. Slap her on. Put the bolt back in. Hey, get it recording up here, bud. Finger tighten back in.
Yeah.
It's like a 10-minute job.
Yeah,
We might not even have to edit this video, man. I know, isn't that awesome? We'll go ahead and put this back on here. Yep, that's the old one. Okay.
Goodbye.
Alright, now I'm done. So, alright, time for the belt. Here, put it back over here. Here. Can you get it closer?
Yeah?
Okay, you see what I did there?
Yeah.
I put the belt over my socket. And then, of course, you want to make sure it's still looped through the right way. Which I didn't take anything off. And then you just go ahead and like you're tighten this. Push your wrench forward. And then your belt pops right on.
No.
Oh yeah, that feels a lot better.
No.
So, now we're gonna, I think we're gonna check this because that felt a little weird. Fingers feel around here, not the safest thing, but it works. So, there we go. Alright, lift her up. Lift up the camera. Lift up the camera. Gonna move our tools. Now that we got the tools out of the way, time to get started. So, here you go, Cohen. I'm gonna trade you. You take the keys, and then come on this hand here. Ready? All right. Let's go open that garage and start it. Yeah. Oh, I hope that video wasn't all that way. Okay, here, get in. Yeah, we're gonna start it. Let's get in. Oh, you don't want to start it? Okay. Ready? Sit down. Alright, jump out. Oh no, look at that fuel gauge. There's always a problem with that fuel gauge. Move, please. Yep, that's the problem. That pulley is making some real bad squeaky noise and now it don't. The pulley is going bad. I should have got a clip of it before, but I just thought about it, honestly. So, let's get this video. Well guys, on that note, the Corvette is running. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below and let me know if you have had a similar problem or, you know, you didn't know how to do it and this helped you. I hope it did. I have a few other pulley videos that I've done. I actually did one on Main Street. They're most of the time, they're fairly easy. We're gonna sign off of here. Get ready for the rest of the day because we got some racing coming up. Okay. Shoot. We got some racing coming up. Both the Corvette and the Power Wheels. So, we hope that you have a great day. Okay, start it. Yeah, start it. You gotta raise them up right now. Yeah, put it in there. Turn it. So have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video.